In this video, we'll go over how to clean your Perfect Fryer PFA. First off, we recommend doing a detailed clean of your fryer once a week and a daily clean every morning before turning it on. To complete the daily clean, open the front panel and wipe down the inside of the door and any excess oil. Then check the oil level, ensuring it's at the cold line and topping up as needed. Close the front panel and ensure the latches are locked. Then wipe down the outside of the machine. For a detailed clean, turn off the machine at the wall, remove the basket and set it aside. Screw in the drain hose to the valve and open the tap to remove all the oil. Once the oil has been drained, close the valve and remove the hose. Disconnect the heating element and pull out the oil vat from the machine. Detach the heating element from the oil vat and set it aside, ensuring it's clear from any water. Remove the spill tray from the base of the fryer and set it aside. Place the yellow safety cap over the female connector. Unlatch the air filter box and place it on top of the fryer. If the cage has a build-up, you can remove the air filter and clean the cage, ensuring it isn't exposed to any moisture. Remove the grease filter tray and grease filter and set them aside. Remove the drawer slide, lift off the cover and remove the drawer assembly. If required, you can also remove and clean the door by lifting off the hinges. Spray the inside of the fryer with Perfect Fry Cleaner and let it sit for 20 minutes. Once you have all the parts laid out on a bench, spray them with Perfect Fry Cleaner and let them sit for 20 minutes, with the exception of the air filter and element. Place all the parts in a dishwasher or hand wash them in a sink if a dishwasher isn't available. On built-up areas, consider using a scraper or a scourer to remove build-up. Pay particular attention to the element and only spray the coil itself, ensuring the top isn't exposed to any spray or liquid. Be gentle with the secondary over-temp wire as it is fragile. Thoroughly rinse and dry all the parts and set them aside next to your fryer, ready for reassembly. Wipe out the inside of the fryer, ensuring you remove all the chemical residue and dry it. Remove the yellow cap from the female connector and place it on the holder. Reassemble the fryer by doing the reverse, ensuring you fill it with new oil to the cold line in the oil vat. If you need further clarification, refer to the Assembling Your Fryer video. Finally, turn on the fryer at the wall and on the screen, ensuring that there's oil in the oil vat. Failure to do so may deploy the fire extinguisher. Congratulations on successfully cleaning your Perfect Fryer. Now enjoy cooking.